Hi guys, I'm Maddie, social media marketing girl. You may have not seen me on this page before, although you may have seen me in the blindfolding challenge. She's shouting at me. I'm gonna lose my job.
You just stand there.
Need I say any more? But today I thought I'd jump on here to show you one thing you need in your product photography kit if you're into splash shots, anything with water essentially, to create shots like this, and this. It's one of those things that I think is slept on, and you can get it at any kind of hardware store. Ours is from Bunnings because we're here in Australia, as Jessie likes to always tell us.
Bunnings, which is a hardware store. Bunnings, which is a hardware store. Bunnings is just an Australian hardware store.
But yeah, I'll get straight into it. So it's the Ryobi? I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. So we've all got a vacuum cleaner at home, but this one's a wet one. Or it does both, essentially. So Flynn here is just setting it up for us to show you it in action.
Do you reckon I need towels for this morning?
No, you're not going to need towels at all.
Okay, alright, cool. It's blue. It's not supposed to blow, it's supposed to suck. That's not supposed to happen at all. Don't do that. I don't know. Give me 5 here, I'm going to come back. Okay, you know what? I think I found the problem. There's 2 sides here. I think I put it on the blow side.
Let's try that again, shall we? We've kind of showed you how not to use it. But yeah, this is him using it with the water tank. So as you can see, it's just sucking all the water up, which is great. It doesn't take long at all. It's pretty remarkable. But unfortunately, Flynn didn't screw the right thing on and it's flooded everywhere. So that's cue me laughing about it again.
Cut the video. But this is done. It's over.
Oh, Flynn, this hasn't gone the way you thought it would, has it? Flynn's now mopping it up. Note to self, don't put the cartilage filter for the dry vacuum when you're supposed to have the foam filter for the wet vacuum. The more you know, eh? To be honest, I was watching Flynn do it and I didn't notice, so it's also me to blame. Jessie, if you're watching this, it's not my fault. Poor guy, honestly. You know what the funniest thing is? Jessie and Hoosie have been using this for years, and then Flynn is put under pressure and has to do it today because Jessie and Hoosie are busy, and he crumbles at the last minute. But we brought in the big guns. Hoosie came to save the day and sorted it out. Wait, what was the little tip at the end, sorry?
Hold the hose up so the water that's in there just falls straight back into the vacuum. Otherwise, you undo this and water just goes flying everywhere.
Okay. And once you've done everything right, you can just pour the water down the drain.
Gorgeous.
Oh, good.
Lovely. Thanks, Flynn. Yeah, there is nothing worse than after finishing whatever water shoot, having to cart all the water out or to the toilet or to the sink. And especially in those acrylic tubs, you know the ones I mean. It can be a nightmare to get rid of the water. So this is why you need this bad boy. But yeah, so this is a really underrated tool that we use because whilst the setup process is important, obviously lights and gear and everything's important, the cleanup process is important too. And you can end up wasting a lot of time doing the kind of mundane tasks at the end of shoots. So it just gives you more time to do the actual shooting part. So yeah, this bad boy is from Bunnings. It was 119 Australian dollars, which I don't think is bad, you know, it's worth it. You obviously invest in nice gear for the shoot or the setup process. It's always important to invest in gear for the cleanup process too. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like more of this sort of information, you can go see Jessie's free gear guide, which will also plug below. And we'll link a product link to this bad boy. No affiliation, we just love him. So yeah. Bye. I'll let Jessie take the floor next time. And definitely not Flynn. So that was the dry end. This is going to be the wet end. That sounds very inappropriate. Give us a wave.